Fuck. Shit. Alright. Previously on Budget Bimmers.
Oh, you know what?
Doesn't even
That's a
look the
problem.
What is this one for, dude? You gonna bone me like that? That's fucking balls, dude.
It's a baby fucking wheel, man!
I got the wrong one. So, what was I saying? Oh, I'm gonna have to buy the entire fucking unit, everything that goes around, which is like 65 bucks. All right, 2 seconds. We'll be back with the part, and that shit. No, that's stupid. It's dumb.
Fucking bitch.
Okay, a week later, you got the new one. So this is what you'd usually replace if you replace the whole system, but it's got like a whole shitload of bolts that are hard to reach. So we're just replacing that top part. So I'm gonna pry this off and then pop it on, and then we're gonna start it. Yeah. All right, so this is the new one. I got it off, and I broke it. There we go. There's the new one. Nice gasket. It's broken. That's on the top though, so I think it'll be fine. Who knows? I don't know. Can't even see you. You're like a fucking... It doesn't work anymore. Oh yeah, that does.
I think the cold affects it too. She gets a little cold, so you gotta like stroke the lens, you know.
Alright, I'm gonna put this on. Should be easy. Probably won't. This spring is gonna fuck me. Dude, where's the light?
It's in downstairs. Dana. Where is it?
Yeah.
There it is. In the most random spot ever.
I'm gonna lose this spring, and I'm gonna lose my fucking mind.
Is there a certain way it goes on, or is it?
Yeah, yeah. There's like a tab to line up on the top. I'm not getting satisfying snaps.
That's not satisfying.
Maybe it's good enough.
The fuck does a star button do? Whoa.
What?
Whoa. There's like a star button on the screen. When you press it, it like gets lighter or darker. Whoa. What does that do? Whatever. Boo, doo, boop, 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 boop.
Alright, so I bought 7 quarts of oil. Apparently this holds 7.5 or 7.9.
I thought 7.9 with the oil filter change.
Okay.
But
So we're gonna put like 2/3 of this in and then check it. I'm gonna have to do an oil change after like 2,000 miles anyway, because this engine is pretty fucked up. Alright, well, I went for the 7.9. Alright there, bud. Now we're gonna start her up and let her get warm and see if we leak everywhere. And if we don't, maybe we'll seafoam her, bud.
That's racist.
Dude!
Oh.
Bro.
Now we gotta peel it all off. Dude, I don't think this plastic would be that hard to peel off. There's some spots that it looks like it's just falling off.
It is pretty thick. But...
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
It's gonna blow! Huh?
Check engine off.
Really? That's weird.
Why is it weird? Fixed it.
Don't get your hopes up.
They're so high! Yeah, that fan was out fucking.
I know, dude.
Oh my god. Put your hair right here. No, over here.
Oh my god, dude. It's like a hurricane.
Literally gonna let it run for like 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be like that?
I don't know.
Yo, do you hear that coming from right there? What? Yeah. Dude. Oh, and now it sounds like that.
This thing is like vibrating. It sounds like a pump.
Stupid little meme makes the whole car fuck up. There's no like real smoke coming out, it's just kind of cold. But now it makes a noise, that's sick. No check engine. Plug the code reader in. Right there. Oh fuck. Fucking cup holder. This thing's idling like a car that idles rough.
Idling like a fucking rocket ship.
Known to have the roughest idles.
Yeah. Reading the codes, reading the codes.
Gotta replace the fan and clutch.
Oh, fuck that, dude. Not worth it.
No code.
No codes? Why you always lying?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop you fucking lying.
Maybe it's a vacuum.
Oh my god.
You think it's a vacuum leak?
That's
No,
very, very, very possible, dude. Yeah, a vacuum leak definitely could cause that.
Use my air intake resonator.
Yeah, right?
Look at all this fucking... Ah!
Oh, you just touched the fan, dude? Oh my god.
Oh, that was so scary.
Wow,
You gotta
dude.
paint it.
You just almost lost your hand.
Oh my and I went this way. It's coming this way. Oh my god. Woo! Jeez.
Oh shit! Oil just fucking
the
sprayed
chain
out.
is right underneath.
Yeah. I think I did that in my 540 one time too. I was like, shit!
I don't know. This thing could literally just be so like fucking neglected that it's
Unplug the mat.
not running right.
See, that doesn't either. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, it did something. Alright. I'll tell you what, dude, that's not really that bad of an idol. Like,
Yeah, but it's not what it's supposed to be.
it's like as good as my M3's idol.
Yeah, but it's not what it's supposed to be. If we had modded it or something and it sounded like this, fine. But
Yeah.
it's supposed to be stock.
It's a V8 too, though. V8s are.
See, now it's smooth now. It's not even rattling.
Really?
It's smooth now. Maybe I wonder if this is oil.
Dude, yeah.
I was gonna buy them, but I had no money.
Could also be like a clogged injector or some shit. Stupid stuff. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna put seafoam in the gas tank
Yeah.
and all over the engine.
All over it.
All right, quick little DIY, just for any of you guys out there. If your shifter linkage falls out of the thing underneath the car, you can just strap a bungee cord to the bottom of this seat, go, wrap it around, bring it back up, strap it to the bottom of this seat. You have to deal with some air coming up through here, you know, because there's a hole to the ground. You can see the drive shaft, but other than that, dude, it's pretty mint. So, yep.
Dude, this thing idles like shit.
That's how I'm living right now. And then I got two headlights out because my high beams are stuck on, so I had to unplug my high beam bulbs because I broke this off. So when I want to use my blinkers now, I gotta, if there's like any cops, I can do this, and then I have to hold it. It doesn't stay on by itself, but yeah, but I can't do anything about the high beams because they're just stuck on, so I just unplugged the bulbs. Yep, so that's my life.
How was yours? Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I've come to talk with you again.
Developed some lifter tick. Good luck with sale, bro. Good luck with sale. Huh?
Dude, it's coming from like right here. You know?
What?
It's coming from
That's
that
the cruise
thing.
control? That's, yeah, that's cruise control. Nope.
What is that?
Oh, it's this.
This thing, what is that? Goes to somewhere.
ABS? No? No.
What? Okay, should I unplug it?
Oh, that's the evap system.
What do you mean?
It's for the purge thingy-majig. I think it goes to the gas tank. Yeah, unplug it. Oh, we're not dead, so that's good. Yeah! He fucking just scared me. Mother pearl.
And when
when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.